Turmeric, the spice of life, and to my curry.
But did you know that this vibrant yellow root is actually a part of the ginger family? And it's known to have really cool effects, like whitening your teeth, being used as the dye in like yellow t-shirts, and even gives that orange color to your cheddar cheese.
Wow, that's cool.
But recently, turmeric has gotten much attention in the media for its supposed ability to prevent Alzheimer's disease.
But is the turmeric myth all it's really hyped up to be? Or is it just a new health fad?
What's going on here?
Here on Demystifyers, we're going to find out the scientific proof behind turmeric and its association with Alzheimer's.
Most people wouldn't associate a trip to their favorite curry house would actually improve their verbal and memory skills. But actually, Australian scientist Dr. Laura Phipps did a really cool study using 96 participants between the ages of 40 to 90 to see if curcumin, which is simply an active ingredient in turmeric, would actually have an effect on people's verbal and memory skills.
Well, what did they find?
Tests show that those taking the placebo pill, which is just a pill with no curcumin in it, suffered a decline in mental function compared to those who took the curcumin pill.
Wait, so why is that?
Fun fact! Curcumin is known to block proteins called beta amyloids. These beta amyloid proteins are known to come together and kill brain cells, aka neurons, and this is associated with Alzheimer's disease.
So you're saying curcumin is our answer to Alzheimer's?
Well, not quite yet. You see, the bigger question we should be asking is, how does curcumin actually get into our brain?
The brain is extremely selective in terms of what compounds it allows to enter.
Yeah, that's right. But researchers in India devised an innovative way to deliver curcumin into the brain using biodegradable nanoparticles.
But what they found was astounding. You see, curcumin actually induced neurogenesis, or brain cell growth, in the subventricular and hippocampus regions of adult rat brains.
But wait, how does it do this?
It does this by increasing genes involved in cell proliferation.
Cell proliferation? What is that?
Yeah, cell proliferation is the increase in the number of cells.
But the only problem is, ingesting curcumin without the aid of other substances such as nanoparticles might not give us the same results.
Wait, so what does this mean for us?
Actually, a few clinical studies have already shed some light on this matter. In fact, a study done by Baum et al. Looked at 34 participants with Alzheimer's disease. These participants were randomly assigned to 2 differing doses of curcumin.
But it was shown that mental status was not improved by curcumin treatment, as well as the level of alpha-beta amyloids were not affected by the curcumin treatment.
So this shows that larger scale clinical trials are needed before we come to a conclusion.
So what you guys are telling me is that there's promising therapeutic potential for reducing Alzheimer's symptoms, but there is no conclusive evidence for it?
Yeah, we just said that!
This week on Demystifyers, we crack down on the evidence behind turmeric's supposed ability to prevent Alzheimer's, and what we found was not as clear as we had expected. So as you can see, we cannot say with certainty that eating more turmeric in our diets would actually reduce our Alzheimer's risk. We talked about how curcumin is not easily absorbed into the body, meaning we would have to consume huge amounts just to match those that were used in the test tube experiments. Although there has been promising therapeutic potential for turmeric, we simply do not have enough clinical studies to support the non-clinical studies. So for now, keep calm and curry on. For more awesome debunking videos like this, check out our YouTube page.